Hi, this is for a little bonus video. We're just going to play a little game that I used to play all the time when I was a kid. It's called concentration. So for concentration, you pick a category and then you each take a turn naming one thing from that category. First person to hesitate or repeat loses the game. So naturally, I thought since we're both really like birds, you are more of an expert than I am, but I figured I'm going to try my best anyhow. We're going to play this with our category of birds of Ontario. We're allowed to use invasives and we're also allowed to use unusual birds, but they should be at least cited here.
I'm nervous.
All right, don't be nervous. I promise I'll go easy on you, which is probably a lie. So I'm going to go first. Yellow warbler.
Blue jay.
Cardinal.
American robin.
Bay-breasted warbler.
Caspian tern.
Chestnut-sided warbler.
Golden eagle.
Nashville warbler.
American crow.
Tennessee warbler.
Cedar waxwing.
Fish crow.
Little blue heron.
Orange-crowned warbler.
White-throated sparrow.
Black-throated blue warbler.
Black-throated green warbler.
Shoot, you named the one I was going to do. That's okay. Bald eagle.
Turkey vulture.
Black vulture.
Red-shouldered hawk.
Cooper's hawk.
Great egret.
Sharp-shinned hawk.
Green-winged teal.
Grackle.
Red-winged blackbird.
Brown cowbird.
Ring-billed gull.
Wood thrush.
American goldfinch.
Ovenbird.
Good one. Hermit thrush.
Red-bellied woodpecker.
Blue-winged teal.
Mallard.
Red-headed woodpecker. Well, house sparrow.
Field sparrow.
European starling.
Lincoln sparrow.
Nelson's sparrow.
Savannah sparrow.
Hooded merganser.
Song sparrow.
All right. Black-crowned night heron.
Green heron.
I'm just trying to think of ones we haven't said yet.
We have complete.
Chimney swift.
Fair. Bobolink.
Common nighthawk.
Goshawk.
Tree swallow.
Barn swallow.
Northern rough-winged swallow.
Eastern bluebird.
Killdeer.
Oh, that's one of my favorites. Spotted sandpiper.
Piping plover.
Greater yellowlegs.
Lesser yellowlegs.
Rose-breasted grosbeak.
Nice. Evening grosbeak.
Orchard oriole.
Nice. Common redpoll.
Baltimore oriole.
Surf scoter.
American redstart.
White-winged scoter.
Blackpoll.
Long-tailed yager.
Canada goose.
Greater white-fronted goose.
Magnolia warbler.
Boreal chickadee.
Yellow-rumped warbler.
Wow. I
think I've covered all the warblers.
Yeah,
I think that's every single warbler.
I think so. Broad-winged hawk.
Ooh. Sharp-shinned hawk.
Merlin.
Kestrel.
Peregrine falcon.
Downy woodpecker.
Oh. Did we say hairy woodpecker?
We didn't.
Hairy woodpecker.
Pileated woodpecker.
Nelson's sparrow.
Double-crested cormorant.
I think this is a good tie.
I think this is a good tie. I think I had like a couple others in me
I for sure
in the pipers, but that was about it. I think this may be conceding because I think we both have kind of run out. I know we missed things, but that's a lot of birds' names that you can find or have at least been found in Ontario.
Yeah.
I am certain we missed some owls and some birds of prey, but I cannot think from the top of my head.
Jaegers. I mean, there's so many gulls.
I am
and
also
shorebirds.
fairly certain we missed some of the flying shorebirds.
And
like
kites.
you definitely said Caspian tern. I'm not sure if common tern was
Right.
there.
I that was the thing. I didn't know if we had said them already. So many ducks, geese.
Oh, ducks we definitely didn't get through all
you know
of them.
what? I wanted to use scarlet tanager. I totally forgot about that.
I like scarlet tanager. So I think this is fair. Well, I hope everyone enjoyed our game to see how far we got. I'll have to try to count how many.
Hey, nice work. That was pretty good.